Welcome to Pinegrow Web Editor 9. The first thing you will notice is the redesigned dashboard. The sidebar contains essential actions like creating or opening projects. Information is now organized into neat tabs, starting with My Projects, Getting Started Resources, Interactive Tutorials, Community Links, and Release History. We also have a handy link to Pinegrow Online, allowing you to use your license to work on local projects directly in the browser. Let's open a project and look inside. The major new feature is Smart Mode, which organizes the user interface to enhance clarity and ease of use. On the left, we have global panels like Project, Tree, Design, and the AI Assistant. These control the project as a whole and aren't tied to a specific selected element. When you select an element, the panels on the right side allow you to control and edit it. In the Element Properties panel, we've separated the visual controls for Bootstrap and Tailwind into their own dedicated panel. This gives them more space and keeps features better organized. The toolbar on the left holds tools like the Code Editor and Search and Replace. All settings are now collected in one place here, so you don't have to jump between different panels to find what you need. You can collapse panels by clicking on their active tab to create more room. You can also switch to a 4-column layout, where the tree panel is always visible. This is great if you have a large screen. Let me switch back to 3 columns. In Smart Mode, panels cannot be rearranged, ensuring everything stays neatly organized. However, if you prefer the classic, fully flexible interface, go to the Window menu and switch UI mode to Flexible. Smart Mode is the default, and I highly recommend giving it a try as it is very intuitive. We cleaned up the interface not just to make it look modern, but to bring important information front and center. By removing distracting elements, the workflow becomes much more direct. Let's look at the new component workflow. Features for creating and using reusable components are now located in the Element Properties panel. This keeps everything related to component behavior contained in one area. To create a component, simply select an element and click Create Component. When editing, Pinegrow now gives you a focused view, showing only the component structure in the tree panel. Let's name this Card. When finished editing, click Done and Update. The component is now created. Notice that selecting it selects the whole component instance, not its children. To change its definition, we simply enter Edit Mode. Let's make some elements editable. I'll select the image and choose Make Element Editable. The source and alt attributes will now be editable properties. I'll do the same for the title and the text content. Now let's save and update. If I select this other static card, Pinegrow recognizes that it matches the component structure. It allows me to convert this into a card component instance without losing the unique content. Just click Make Instance. It instantly becomes a component, preserving the image and text. I can quickly do the same for the remaining cards. This makes working with components in Pinegrow 9 incredibly fast and straightforward. Another great feature is the improved browser preview. The preview is now perfectly synced with the editor. If I select this text and make changes, you can see the updates happen immediately in the browser, even as I scrub through values. This works out of the box with zero configuration. The preview menu also includes a Show QR Code feature. Scan this with your mobile device to open a live preview directly on your phone or tablet. Starting new projects is also easier in Pinegrow 9. Select a template and notice the Create Project checkbox. This immediately saves the project to a default location. It also automatically activates the Design panel. The project is saved, the Design panel is active, and we can jump straight into editing. When you close the project by clicking the Pinegrow icon, you have the option to delete, rename, or move it. By default, projects are saved in your Documents folder under Pinegrow Projects. You can change this in settings, or if you move a project to a new location, Pinegrow will offer to use that new location as the default for future projects. This workflow is especially powerful when combined with the improved AI Assistant. It works best with Tailwind CSS, as the styling and layout are encoded directly in the HTML. In the AI panel, Smart Pages is the default editing mode. Here, the assistant can create full HTML pages, edit the design theme, and even generate images. It acts as an agent that understands the entire project, not just the selected element. For example, it is generating an image here. If we expand this, we can see the details, such as the prompt used to generate it. The AI assistant can also add interactions using the motion library. While it doesn't create Pinegrow interactions yet, it can write the necessary code and attributes for motion animations. It knows how to check the documentation to ensure the code is correct. If a JavaScript error occurs, the assistant displays a debug icon. Right-click to see the error details. Simply click the error and the information is passed back to the AI, which will then attempt to fix the code. Once cleared, we can reload the page. And now we can see the animations were added successfully. The AI also understands Pinegrow components. I'll ask it to create the nav and hero as components. I'll start a new task to keep the context clear and save tokens. The assistant looks up the component documentation and creates a components page where they are defined. I'll refresh the page to see the changes. If we check the tree, the navigation and hero sections are now implemented as components. Since the AI works best with Tailwind, I recommend using the Tailwind add-on. To get started with AI, the easiest way is to sign up for an Open Router account and purchase some credits. Then, in Pinegrow settings, select Open Router Auto for all models as well as for image generation. These are just the highlights of Pinegrow 9. We've polished details, fixed bugs, and improved the tool in many other ways. Download the free trial and take it for a spin. If you are new, check out the Pine Poems interactive tutorial to learn the basics. If you're an existing user, you'll feel right at home. Enjoy creating with Pinegrow.